Hello guys, we are going to be toy reviewing. Oh, if you want to see my juicy red toes, crusty, musty, dusty. These are also called grippers. I love my grippers. Okay, so let's stay on topic now. Okay, let's get my gripper covers off. Alright, let's review this toy. So this is at Walmart for about $30 if you are interested. It has a very cool visual effect of Huggy being happy and then wanting to kill you. It has a handle for easy carry. Alright, let's see what's inside here. Okay, so we have, it looks like a poster. I think a mini poster. Oh, it is. Okay. It's Huggy Wuggy, and I will read it. Huggy says, remember to take breaks. Breaks longer than 10 minutes are not permitted, I think. Okay, so that's cool. Okay. Let's see the big one for last. Okay, so we have this mystery Poppy playtime bag. It feels like a mini figure. Got from Doors, like just a mini figure. Let's get this open here. Let's see what's in it. Super cool. It is a silver Huggy Wuggy toy. Like, this is really cool. I also have a Kissy Missy version of these, but it's not silver. I'll go show you that when it's done. Here's the big boy bag. Let's see what's in here. I'm most excited for this one. Oh, that is so cool. It is a plushie. I don't know how they fit this whole entire plushie inside. This is a very big plushie. Very cool here. It is also like, it sort of looks like this, but it's sort of the same thing. I really like how they kind of made it look like blue with the eyes. Very cool. And I like that they added the bow tie, and it even has some stitches at the top. That is super cool. And also some stitches right here, like on its leg. Want to see it? Then he can even twerk. Hey, chill, bro, chill. Okay, I'm gonna get that Kissy Missy bus that I had. Here she is. I also should have opened that up with this too, but I did not. So these are them two together. Very, very cool. I really like these. I really like these nuts. Okay, bye guys, have a good rest of your day. And remember to look at my channel on